Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to center icons on your taskbar on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go to your taskbar and right-click on it and go to search and make sure search is hidden. Just check this. And after the search is hidden, just go ahead and right-click on your taskbar once more. Then from here, just go to toolbars. And after links has appeared here, just right-click on your taskbar and make sure lock the taskbar is turned off. Then just click on links, and from links make sure show text and show title is checked. And after that, what you need to do is just drag this all the way to the left, and you need to drag the left one all the way to the center. Make sure your icons are centered to wherever you like, and there you go. After that, just right click on links and uncheck show title and show text as well. And there you go, your icons has been centered on your taskbar. And there you go, your taskbar icons have been centered on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.